This video, guys, I will show you how to sync your Fitbit app with your Health Connect. So to do this, just watch and follow this video till the end. Open first your Fitbit like this, and next you should go and click right now here. If you click here, it will give you these three options. If you wanna connect or sync with your phone, like me right now, or your watch or your device. Here, if you want to connect with Health Connect, click Set up Health Connect and click Set Up. Right now, it will tell you to install this app. For me, I have to install it, and I will be back. So after downloading this app, I click Continue, and then what I have to do, click Get Started. And it will going to take me to another page. So here you have to agree that you are letting Fitbit to sync with Health Connect. Click I agree, and you have to activate all this. Click allow right now and click continue. And congratulations, you have synced your Health Connect Google with your Fitbit. Don't forget to like, also subscribe, and bye.